Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BRTXQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis previously, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that line. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first big update that needs to be done comes about just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So right now, 0.02 is going to be that nearest level of resistance. And the good news is the price, broke down below there, but it's not like the price broke below it and then just continue to crash and crash and crash. The price broke down below it, pulled back, but then with a nice green candle there on the final 30 minutes is well within striking distance. So that doesn't mean that it's for sure guaranteed to break back up above it. But my point here is it's at least a valid thought to have that, the price has a realistic chance of getting up above that 0.021 area. So keep a close eye on 0.021. As like I said, if there is any sort of attempted recovery to the upside, that'll be that first key, question mark that, remains in terms of, all right, well, can the price get above that area? And I mean, if the price goes up there and it just is like a warm knife through butter, well then, hey, that would be a nice sign that the bulls are really starting to make a good, strong push, to the upside to try to get things recovered around. As far as levels of support are concerned, main level to watch now is going to be that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well known, the very famous 200 period moving average. I mean, even if you have a basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, then yeah, you want to see the price stay up above it. So keep an eye on that moving forward, and that's valued right now at right around the 0.016 mark. So those are going to be the main technical levels moving forward into Thursday. So let's see how things play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.